Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to discuss a very important physical quantity, torque. As we know that inertia for rotational motion is moment of inertia and the inertia for translation motion is mass. Also, to produce acceleration in a mass we need force. Analogous to that, to produce angular acceleration or to change the rotational state we need torque, and the torque is a vector physical quantity which measures the turning effect of a force. Let's take an example of a door. For rotating a door or to change the rotational state or to produce angular acceleration, same magnitude of force has different turning effect at different distances from the hinge or when applied in different directions, and greater the force, greater the turning effect. In most general and holistic way, mathematically torque tau about a point O is defined as tau O vector is equal to r vector cross f vector, where r vector is position vector of point of application of force about point O. As shown in the figure, let resolve f vector parallel to r vector and perpendicular to r vector, and resolve r vector parallel to f vector and perpendicular to f vector. Let angle between r vector and f vector is theta, then f perpendicular will be f sin theta and r perpendicular will be r sin theta. Now magnitude of torque about point O will be equal to Rf sin theta, that will be equal to r into f sin theta, that will be equal to r into f perpendicular. Also it can be written as r sin theta into f, that is r perpendicular into f. Here r perpendicular is the perpendicular distance of line of action of force f vector from point O, and f perpendicular will be component of f vector perpendicular to r vector. Also if tau O vector is tau x I cap plus tau y j cap plus tau z k cap, and tau x, tau y and tau z are components of torque along x, y and z axis respectively, then component of torque tau x, which is also called torque about x axis, is equal to tau O vector dot I cap. Similarly, tau y will be equal to tau O vector dot j cap, and tau z will be equal to tau O vector dot k cap, and component of tau O vector along any direction n cap will be tau O vector dot n cap. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.